Hi folks, in this video I will unbox my new notebook PC, a Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 with a Tiger Lake i7 CPU. Before unboxing, I start with some history of my current PCs. So those are my two main PCs nowadays. On the right in the back, a Lenovo X61S 2007 machine, and on the left a Samsung NP300 2011 bought machine. Looking a bit back, I was surprised to see that the Lenovo costed quite a fortune back in 2007, so the machine alone was more than 2,100 Swiss francs, and together with the docking station and the DVD and an additional power adapter, it was almost 3,000 Swiss franc. So I was really amazed about that, and I had still a picture of the unboxing done at the day of purchase back in November 2007. The PC served as my main workhorse until 2014. Initially it came with 2 GB RAM and a 160 GB hard disk drive, and with Microsoft Windows Vista Business. And it's quite a nice machine. It has Intel's Core 2 Duo L7500 CPU, and it's really like a very slim machine with very nice 12-inch display. And down the road I upgraded the memory from 2 GB RAM to 4, and I replaced the hard disk drive with a Samsung 256 GB SSD and installed Windows 7 Home Premium 32-bit on it. It's still a nice machine for office work, for doing emails, handling files. Definitely not to play HD videos or doing video rendering or searching large data, but still at home with the docking station, or here in the lab with an additional docking station, it's in day-by-day use. Then next, the one on the left, the Samsung, was quite a good buy back in the day on December 2nd, 2011. There was a one-day promotion at the retail store where they gave 50% discount to a already quite nice price, so it was half of $8.99, making it $449.50 Swiss francs. And at that time really you got an i7, and you got 6 GB RAM and a DVD super multi-drive and a 750 GB hard disk drive. So I bought this machine at this promotion day as a Christmas present for my son. It was his first PC, and it was nicely packed in a cardboard box, which was also quite portable. And yeah, I said the technical specifications were really great at the time, and my son mainly used it as a gaming PC. This one has an NVIDIA Optimus chip inside, and he used it about almost 2.5 years, until he decided to buy a desktop-based gamer PC, and as a kind of trade-in he gave this PC to me, and I upgraded it from the initial setup, which was 6 GB RAM to 8 GB RAM, I replaced the hard disk drive with a Samsung 250 GB SSD and did a fresh install of Windows 7 Home Premium. And the machine served me really well, 7 years now, from April 2014 up to today. And it's really my main workhorse with this 4-core, 8-thread i7. I can do everything I want. Still pretty decent, even it's a Sandy Bridge, you know. i7-1165G7 is the CPU name. So those were the days, and now it's a new time zone, because this spring I saw on a promotion that the same retail store had a nice promotion with Lenovo giving 15% discount on selected products, and they had this brand new Tiger Lake 11th generation core i7 based machine for a rocket price of 790 Swiss franc. But I missed the promotion, and this was really sad to me, and I thought let's continue to look what the retailers do, and just about 2 months later there was another Lenovo promotion at the same retailer, and the same 15% discounts on the whole range. But initially I could not see the i7 machine, but the other day I spotted that they had in the online store, they had really the same offering for the same price, 790 Swiss francs for this i7 based machine with Rocket 16 GB RAM and 1 Tera SSD. So I really did some evaluation, compared the machine to some other brands like Asus and HP, and yeah, then decided to take the promotion on the very last day. Did the order in the online store, and yeah, on the order confirmation they listed that the machine takes about 3 weeks to deliver. So they gave me a delivery date of end of April 2021, and I must say I also ordered the active pen to the machine with the same 15% discount. But then, unfortunately, 3 days after ordering, they sent me a note and said they cannot give me a delivery time, so it's unpredicted delivery time. So I was afraid that the global shortage and delivery problems of the ICT industry will also affect my new PC. But luckily I got an email that from DPD that they delivered the machine on April 14th, which was Wednesday last week, and yeah, I came home at the evening and my daughter had the machine there, and yeah, I said I will unbox it another day when I have a bit more time and not really stressed by work and other issues. So here I am in my lab. It's still sealed on the bottom, and it's a nice cardboard box, still sealed, and we will now have the knife here, the tool, and we'll do an unboxing. Okay, really happy to do this now. Waited 6 days like a small boy at Christmas. And I hope I will be excited after unboxing, and the machine will be the one I really wanted, and I will not get any disappointment. So let's pull it out of the box. Okay, and put the box here. with the logo. So here is the packaging material. Throw it on the floor. Some papers fell down. So here's the machine in the plastic bag. Remove it from the bag. I see it's not really black, it's more anthracite. You can also say dark gray, and it has a metal Lenovo logo on that edge, and it's really stylish. And yeah, from the outside I'm not disappointed. Even black is my normal computer color. You know, I'm a Sinclair addict, a Sinclair dude, but dark gray is also nice. So let's now unfold the machine and put the cardboard box away. So the protection material for the keys, and here we have it. I'm aware that it's glossy. If there would have been a non-glossy version, I would have gone for that one, but I can live with glossy, especially as this is not just a notebook. You know, I learned that this is also a tablet or a presentation machine where you can use it at any angle, with or without keyboard. That's why I bought the active pen for it. And yeah, really happy to power it up later on. This will maybe not be today, I will see. So as I said, some papers fell down and not much included. There's a short setup guide and safety and warranty guide. That's all the papers that came with the machine. And there's more in the box. I don't expect much more. There's a AC power cable, and all I expect now is a power adapter. So here it is, AC power adapter, 65 watt, Lenovo branded. And now the box is empty, and yeah, on the box serial number and specification, everything there. Yeah, that was more or less unboxing of the new PC. I think the interesting part is really bringing it into operation. So before doing that, I need to unbox all the other stuff I bought this week. It is April, but it felt like Christmas. So let's see what's inside that box. A lot of air and active pen by Lenovo. And I will try to open this small box. Okay, there's on the bottom. Let's see. And here it is, my first active pen. It had to come to 2021 to get my first pen-based PC. I had pen-based personal diaries and PDA stuff like that, but for PC this is my first pen, and it's in the same nice color, dark gray, anthracite. And happy to try. And there is some accessories like holders and yeah, holders plus a battery. I hope that it's not eating battery too much, because otherwise pen operation gets quite pricey. So we'll see how this will work. Then before I will do a first startup, I plan to do a full image of the SSD. I will use a Clonezilla bootable Linux distribution for backups. I have here latest version ready, and I will place the backup on a brand new USB memory stick. I have here a 256 giga flash drive, USB 3.1 from MTech. I will use that one to initially back up the SSD. And talking about this specific USB memory stick, you know, 256 giga USB 3.1 from a well-known brand, and the price in retail 44.95 Swiss franc. I think that's quite a good price. So memory prices are still low in retail. Even the global prices went up dramatically for components and memory due to the Corona crisis. But let's not talk about Corona. Let's concentrate on this new beauty. For sure I will do another video later on, maybe the one for Clonezilla steps and another one for first start, and will definitely give a go for QLE, the Sinclair QL environment, which is a virtual machine under Windows, to see how it performs in terms of my main computing hobby, the Sinclair QL. And I will also try other emulators like Hatari or other stuff to see how well this new beast will be. I expect the i7 to be, for single core, at least 2 to 3 times faster than the 7-year-old Samsung, and much faster than the already 14 years old previous Lenovo I used many days, many years with success. So that was the rather long 17 minutes unboxing video. I hope you liked it, and hope to see you back when I do more work on the new Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5. Okay, take care, all the best, bye.